Good girl. All right, I'm filming with my camera, or my phone, because I forgot to bring my vlogging camera.
Hey.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
Just riding my motorcycle.
San Fran! Can you say wee?
Yay!
It's getting windy.
Tis windy.
Getting in on the bouncing action too. Look at me, I'm on the yellow. I'm the odd one out. Yeah. So if you notice the sticks in Diego's hand, Diego has always been a collector of sticks. Francisca is a collector of
Stones.
stones, rocks. She loves rocks, huh?
Sticks and stones.
So we've got our stick collector and our rock collector. Yeah! Park is kind of busy today. Totally busy today. Here he goes. Diego's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Here we go.
And we shrunk into the Winnie the Pooh one. Hey! Stop! Stop!
How you doing?
Awesome.
Okay.
Can you spin me once more, but not that fast?
Of course. Is that better? You're blowing away. He's blowing away. Francisca, what happened to Diego? What is that? Is that a rock? Amongst all the wood chips, she found a rock. Oh, she found a rock. Yay!
Yay!
Hey now. Yep, there you go.
Do you want to sit and spin on this, Franny? No. Oh, you found the hammock.
That's a good stick. Hey. Yeah?
So these kids behind you are like poking holes in their various drinks and they're trying
Yeah, I
to
saw
steal
that.
each other, so we're probably
Yeah.
gonna
Okay, set it down, set it down. Set it down, guys. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Alright, go ahead. Look at you too.
Yeah. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Wow, you're taking the bark off that tree branch?
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow.
Our plans changed today.
Look at those kids getting all buckled.
We're gonna go to the sewage plant and see how they clean things.
No, we're not.
Any other ideas?
That's my only idea.
I'd rather not go to the sewage plant.
We find ourselves here. Yes, we do. Okay, so the plan is to get some In-N-Out and to take it to a park.
Yep.
I guess we could eat it outside here at the tables. And we're going to the park and then we're going to go look at some neighborhoods up in Farmington.
Yep.
Really at this point, we're mostly trying to cross neighborhoods off our list, I think.
Yeah, we're just doing
make sure they're
broad
on our
brush strokes to at least get general ideas of areas. We have a sense, but we haven't been there to know.
We're eating outside. How is it, Francisca? Is it good? Diego, how's your burger?
Awesome.
Good. We moved inside.
Yeah.
It's really windy.
Not windy in here.
No, we were blown away. You still eating?
Yeah!
Oh, good. The kids have 5 more minutes to finish eating, and then we're gonna get out of here. 3. We're driving around looking at neighborhoods now in Farmington. We were in Bountiful earlier, and we are at the Farmington Trail at the back of Farmington, and look at all these cars.
It was normally just one car like us, and never anyone else.
Maybe 2 others,
Yeah.
maybe. That's just crazy. It's awesome. There's a couple over there outside that church. They're taking pictures. They just got married. So, one thing is I don't want to live on a hill.
Okay.
Still in Farmington, driving around. Mike just pointed out that the nothing is coming. Hi. So we're just finishing up eating, right? Are we just finishing up eating? Yeah. And what are you eating? Oatmeal squares?
Yeah.
And did you have carrots too?
Yeah.
Yeah. And did you have milk too?
Yeah.
Yeah. And are you hungry for more?
Yeah.
Yeah, always, right? Say always.
Oh.
Always. Oh, you have ketchup on your face. I love this girl. Can you blow a kiss?
A seat, I think, may just be a place to rest your butt, basically.
No.
This is how nerds wrestle.
Stop being
You want a heart? Say
a
please. Okay, I'll draw one for you. Would you like me to draw it?
No, I got it.
You gonna draw something?
Yeah.
What's it gonna be?
Something that I am grateful for is that I got a new snuggle buddy.
Yay! Digger! Something I'm grateful for is that we had a lot of family time today.
How to get that carpet thing?
Francisca, what are you grateful for?
It's something.
Something that I'm grateful for today is that we definitely crossed some neighborhoods off our list of houses.
Yeah.
We did. That was good. Thinning it out is good. Well, we just put the babies to bed. Do you see that tree? It is really windy outside. So that's it. Good night.